Hi and hello, I am ATHEENAPANDIan. In this video, I am going to give some of the few informations, particularly for the job seekers. Because biomedical engineering is concerned, there are so many departments, there are so many job sector, there are so many job roles are there. What actually you need to prepare for, and what actually is very comfortable for you to be placed in a reputed industry. In what way we need to prepare, in what way we need to concentrate more on it. So for all these questions, the only answer is that the trending biomedical departments, the trending biomedical domains. So the biomedical department is concerned, I can able to say biomedical departments that is coming under the cardiology equipments, it's coming under the radiology equipments, it's coming under the ICU equipment, it's coming under the operation theater equipment. In that way I said, okay. So because as a biomedical engineer, you should have a knowledge about, you should have an experience to maintaining the particular equipment or particular domain equipment. In the business point of view, that is in the market job point of view, according to the trends only, they are seeking for the candidates. Because as like us, you know that 2019-20, in that period, because of the COVID, many of them started a company in respiratory, manufacturing ventilator machine, okay, and manufacturing oxygen concentrator, pulse oximeter, all these kind of the machines. Before that, before the COVID, the trending is not, and seems to be in this respiratory, but in that period, more number of ventilated knowledge person, respiratory equipment knowledge persons are hired by tier 1 industry, also tier 3, tier 4 industry with a high package. So in that way, as a biomedical engineer, you need to prepare. Some of the domain, that is some of the departments, they are trending for many decades. Some of the equipment, they are just trending for the particular small periods. I would like to say the respiratory is concerned because of the COVID, all the pneumological equipments are move for trending area. But the thing, the equipments that are trending for many decades, in outcoming decades also, you might have knowledge about in that kind of the equipment, definitely you can able to be placed in tier 1 industry. In that way, concentrate more on three important departments. Okay, in that the first thing is try to learn about the radiological equipment, particularly X-ray radiations, X-ray machines. Different type of X-ray machines are there. Normal wall mount X-ray, mobile X-ray, CM X-ray, mammogram, cath lab, and then we can able to go for computer tomography, different generations of computer tomography. You must know about the basics, that's what I mean. And then MRI machine, magnetic resonance imaging, PET scanner, SPECT scanner. Okay, so these are all some of the ionizing and non-ionizing radiation kind of devices coming under the radiology department in the hospital. These particular equipments are trending in so many years. Of course, it is going to be trending in outcoming years also. Try to learn about the basics in the books and try to handling the particular equipment by the way of internship going, by the way of industry. So this is what first point is radiology. Then the second important thing is gynecology. That is what I mean, ultrasound machine. Try to learn about ultrasound. Ultrasound machine is trending for all the days in outcoming years also, because this is a non-radiation equipment. There is no harmfulness in that particular equipment. So in the gynecology department is concerned, they are mostly preferring this ultrasound machine. So this particular ultrasound machine is most important to learn. The second important department, gynecology is concerned, I'm saying. Learn something about probes very clearly. Okay, what is convex probe and what is a pencil probe? All these kind of the things you must be learn lot. Okay, and then we move into the oncology department. That is a little bit higher department. The highly salary paid department is. That is also having a trends for, that will be trending for in all the decades, in all the years. That's what I mean. So in oncology is concerned, there are so many devices out there. Of course, oncology is worked along with the radiology because for the diagnostic purpose. In the oncology is concerned, linear accelerator machine, radiation therapy. In the radiation therapy, there are so many devices are coming under it. Laser play a main vital role. Okay. And then we can able to go for the linear accelerator, cyclotron, proton therapy. All these particular equipments are coming under the oncology. You can concentrate more on it, get benefited. And then in the secondary category and the tertiary category, there are the equipments coming under the respiratory pneumonology is concerned, ventilator machine is there, and then in the operation theater, anesthesia machine is there. These are all the secondary and tertiary option. All the time, the trendsetters are radiology, gynecology, ultrasound machine, and then oncology. These three department equipment try to be learned practically. How much amount of knowledge you can able to get from the senior persons or the industrialist or from the academic faculty members or through the books. Practical learning of these equipments will help you once you are going to the company placement. All time there is a vacancy we can see in these three important departments. Immediately you can able to go for the high salary once you performed well in these kind of the departments, because there is a demand there. We can't able to find out the service engineer for the PET scan machine as like as ECG service engineer, patient monitoring service engineer, an application specialist you can. So all these kind of these devices, the countable members are there in the region. So why not? You can able to come forward to learn about CT scan machine, PET scan machine, gamma camera, all these kind of equipment. If you have a knowledge on practical dealing with detector is what, collimator is what, how the radiation exposure, what is the radio frequency coil, all these kind of the knowledge practically once you gain it, immediately you have a greater opportunity in the life. Hope you understand. These are the three important main domain actually I need to give for you. Keep on going for it and try to learn this equipment practically. First basics and then practically. Thank you very much.